Have you ever purchased a beautiful font, one of those fonts with the extra cute swirls, the fancy tails, the little decorative flourishes, and you got completely hooked on it? And then you open Canva, you type your text, and none of that magic shows up. And you're sitting there thinking, the good news is you can use it, you just don't know how yet. Those extra swirly letters are called glyphs, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock them and use them in your Canva designs. So stick around because this is way easier than you think. First, make sure the font is installed on your computer. Next, upload that same font file into Canva. Then, add text and select the font you have just uploaded. And as you can see, we just have these most basic letter styles. So what we're gonna do is open our font book or character map in PC, find the font we just installed, and scroll down until you spot the glyphs. Copy the one you want, Command V or Control V to paste the glyph into your text box in Canva, and it will show up styled in your custom font, swirls, and all. Keep doing this until you're satisfied with how your text is looking, and just experiment. And here's my final output, and I just added some extra elements here and there, and now it looks more beautiful. And that's it. Now every time you'll buy a beautiful font, you'll actually know how to use all of it, not just the basic letters. If this video has helped you, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video.